This video will show you how to make one of these watercolor swatch sheets with all of your different watercolors. And you'll notice it goes darker to lighter, more transparent. So you need your watercolors, a flat paintbrush is best for this, a Sharpie or pencil, a cup of water, some paper towel, and your watercolor paper. You'll want to start by mixing in a little bit of water with your color just to activate it, but mix it up really well. And then you are going to apply your first swatch. Now, if it's a little too light, you can let it dry up a little bit and do another layer. That's another way to darken. But the goal here is to work from less water to more water on our paintbrush. So I dipped it in water, blotted on my paper towel, and then again, I'm pulling my brush from top to bottom to just create a little swatch. And I'm repeating that process, just doing 3 swatches, although I could keep going. You could produce a range of different values just by adding more water. So here I'm working through all the colors. Doesn't really matter what order you put them in, but I think it's helpful to label the colors so you can go back and remember which is which. And again, I'm only dipping my brush in the color and mixing it with water the first time. After that, I'm only dipping the brush in water and blotting it on paper towel to increase the transparency. So here's the finished chart. The paint was wet, and here is the finished chart with the paint dry. You can see that gradual progression of opaque to more transparent.